Good morning, Rise and Shine, Pilipinas. This is Emma Cordero of World Class Excellence Japan Awards WCJA from Fukuoka, Japan. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Good morning, Rise and Shine, Pilipinas. I'm Malu Taro Galpo. I'm here in Canada, former newscaster and news reporter of Radyo ng Bayan. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Morning, Rise and Shine, Filipinas. Lynette Padulina from Orange County, Southern California, wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas and a joyous New Year. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat.
Hello, Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Ako po si Obet Rivera mula sa Singapore at binabati ko kayong lahat. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And peace to everybody. Salamat po.
Good morning, Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Ako po si DJ Miles Cruz ng Pinoy Online Radio mula dito sa Bay Area, California. Bumabati ng isang maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa ating lahat. Sana po ay maging masaya ang ating Pasko at maging masagana ang ating bagong taon. Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Good morning, Rise and Shine Pilipinas. This is Carclea from Irvine, California, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Mabuhay!
Hello, I'm Josephine, wishing you happy holidays from the beautiful city of Los Angeles, California, USA. Bye!